Super grade high impact, wear resistant steel, 50% longer lifetime. Perfect for go-kart, minibike, fun kart, lawnmower, 6.5 HP engines. For motors no more than 200 cc only, screws and chain not included. 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, return back to us, no hassle refund or product replacement. Top reviews from the United States. Fits Murray Red Go Kart with Tecumseh Powersport motor. Install went fairly easy, lined up easy. Will be interesting to see how it ends up working and how long it lasts. Had issues with the previous clutch setup on it, but I've heard good things about Bravex clutches, so I have faith. Will update later.